miles west of Seymour, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. This severe thunderstorm will be near Story around 7:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Spurgeon's Corner and Stonehead around 7:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Waymansville and Gnawbone around 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Azalea, Elizabethtown, Columbus, Clifford, Taylorsville, and Newbern. This includes Interstate 65 between mile markers 37 and 94. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Bartholomew, Brown, Jackson, Jennings, Johnson, Monroe, Morgan, and Shelby. This is NOAA All Hazards Radio KEC74 in Indianapolis. The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Shelby County, northeastern Monroe County,